Hashtag Fitspiration. Hashtag Thinspiration. Hashtag Relationship Goals. Yan ang madalas na description sa ating Lucky Player. Pero ngayon, pwede maging hashtag Bagong Milyonaryo. Welcome to Kapamilya, Deal or No Deal? Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at sa mga TFC subscribers all over the world. Sila naman ang hashtag happiness at hashtag family natin tuwing hapon. Eto na sila, The Lucky Stars.
Are you feeling lucky? Wish mo bang maging happy? Dito everyday may party. We are one big family. Pumili na ng number at hello, hello kay banker. Ayan ang kanyang offer. Nasa iyo ang swerte. Deal or no deal. Nasa iyong diskarte. Deal or no deal.
Good afternoon, my Lucky Stars. Ito nakikita natin on social media, lahat nagiging fit na. Lahat nagiging healthy. Ikaw, Sue, for example,
Yes,
sinong
po.
fit-spiration mo?
Gusto ko talagang katawan kay Ate Mutya, pero kasi nasusubaybayan ko yung pag-workout ni Miss Ina Raimundo.
Ikaw, Yam, sinong fit-spiration mo?
Gusto ko yung katawan ni Scarlett Johansson, tapos yung braso ni Jennifer Aniston.
Okay. So, ikaw, Kuya Onin, sino yung fit-spiration mo sa lagay na yan?
Si Luis Bolzano.
Ay, ako. Hindi naman ako fit eh. Ano ba? Wala naman sa akin yan.
Hindi, pero actually happy kasi ako sa katawan ko eh.
Oo.
Uso ko yun ng dad bod eh.
Ikaw, Long, sinong fit-spiration mo?
Lou.
Lou.
Lou Veloso.
Okay, kasi 'di ba maganda naman na sa lahat na nangyayari ngayon. It's always good to be very, very fit and healthy. Dahil ang ating Lucky Player ngayong hapon, pinakyaw na yata, Diyos ko, lahat ng mga magazine covers ngayong taon. At tinututukan din bilang si Jamie sa Passion de Amor at isa sa mga bida ng pelikulang X with Benefits. Please give it up for the sexy Colleen Garcia! Good afternoon!
Afternoon! Hello!
Ang minamahal ng aking kapatid na si Billy Boy. Welcome sa Deal or No Deal.
Thank you so much for having me.
Anong pakiramdam na ikaw ang hashtag Thinspiration and relationship goals?
Nakaka-pressure. Pero at the same time, you know, I'm happy din na kasi ano ko yun, hilig ko yun eh, pag-workout. So at least it's something that I enjoy doing.
Pero ako nakilala na kita dati-dati pa. What
Yes.
gave you that drive na talagang seryosohin na?
Yung sarili kong mga goals, I feel stronger, I feel healthier.
More
Iba talaga
empowered
yung,
din, no?
yes, iba talaga yung glow na nakukuha mo if you actually live a healthy lifestyle.
You're very busy. Paano ka
Yes.
nakaka-sneaky ng workout doon?
Nagdadala ako ng ankle weights sa taping.
Wow.
Pero minsan kasi sobrang pagod na. So it's good to just rest also. Kasi minsan hindi mo talaga pwedeng pilitin.
Okay,
Yes.
maraming hashtag. Ako binanggit kanina when it comes to describing you. Yung iba, pag-uusapan natin mamaya.
Sure.
Pero ngayon, ang hashtag na importante ay hashtag bagong milyonaryo. Pwedeng mangyari
Sana.
yon. Depende sa pagpili ng mga yan kung sino ang magiging lucky star briefcase mo. Alin dyan ang gusto mong ilaban?
Briefcase number 8.
Bakit briefcase number 8? Kay Matt. Bakit?
Kasi I promised myself not to overthink this.
Okay.
So sinabi ko, pag nandito na ako, titingin na lang ako dito and whatever catches my attention, yun na lang.
Briefcase number 8
Number
kay
8.
Matt. Pakibaba na yan, please. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Casey. First briefcase that caught her attention. Yun
Yes.
lang rason na yun. Pag lumaban ka hanggang huli, pwede ka mag-uwi ng 1 million pesos. Good luck.
Thank you.
It's time to play Deal or No Deal. Galing? 5
Yes.
cases.
18.
Uunahin natin ang briefcase number 18 kay Kuya Long. Open it, please.
Okay, briefcase number 12.
Briefcase number 12 ang pipilian kay Boom. Open it, please.
Sayang!
3 more.
Briefcase number 9.
Briefcase number 9. Lovely Diana. Tahi buksan, please.
Okay.
Dalawa pa.
Briefcase number 6.
Briefcase number 6, sa idol nating lahat. Open it please, Kuya Dennis. $500,000 tanggal.
Ay, okay lang.
Last one for the first round.
Briefcase number 15.
Briefcase number 15 kay Ariella. Open it, please. 1,000 pesos. Good afternoon, banker. Good afternoon daw sa inyong lahat from banker.
Good afternoon, banker.
Grabe daw yung katawan mo.
Thank you, banker. Ikaw din. Kita ko yung
Ganyan-ganyan
silhouette
ka
mo.
rin? Nagpuyat lang daw siya. One time ka lang nagpuyat. Lupit ah. Kakaaral daw, kaya siya nandyan.
Ah, okay.
Tuloy-tuloy may ginagawa mo because you're setting an example for so many people.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Banker's first offer, 33,300 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Well, ako, I think that it's too early pa. So, no deal.
Okay, eto naman. You have something very special ang X with benefits.
Yes.
Okay, tell us about that.
Well, it's a movie starring me, Derek Ramsey, and Meg Imperial, directed by Gino M. Santos. And it's about two ex-lovers who cross paths once again.
Okay.
Yes, so maraming nakaka-relate doon. And it's about their journey, finding each other, and dealing with all the pain that they had to go through in the past, and that they're still holding in the present.
At ang balita ko lang, medyo may pagka-sexy din
Medyo.
itong movie na to.
It's a bit daring.
Okay.
Yeah.
Si Billy Boy, kasi
Ganon.
alam ko si Billy Boy, napakaseloso.
Oo.
In a
seryoso
good
talaga.
way.
Actually, he's been so supportive, and I'm very thankful for that.
Pero paano yun? When you had to explain to him na medyo daring ng konti, ano sabi niya?
He still wants to watch. He still wants to support me. Pero sabi ko, sa mga scenes na lang na medyo uncomfortable, let's close your eyes na lang. My mom's sitting next to him. Siya
Okay.
na yung magka-close
Well, no
ng eyes
matter
niya.
what, I'm sure you, Derek, and the whole team produced a very great movie na may enjoy ng lahat
And
ng
he
tao.
was so professional. So I was comfortable the entire time.
Okay. Colleen, 4 cases.
Briefcase number 7.
Briefcase number 7. Epi, buksan mo nga yan. Tatlo pa.
Briefcase number 16.
Briefcase number 16. Kay Kuya Bunel, open it please. Dalawa pa.
Hey, right now I want to ask my dad. Jose.
Tito Jose,
Garcia.
Colleen's asking for help. Which briefcase? Kung sakali, would you choose?
I'd start with number 1. Let's just start
Okay.
there.
Suggestion, nasa iyo pa rin yan.
Okay, I'll just go with my dad's decision and I will choose briefcase number 1.
Good luck po. Briefcase number 1 kay Donalyn. Ang nilalaman, pakita nga please. Thank you po. Last one.
Okay. Last one, I'll ask my mom naman.
Okay, mom naman. Your mom's name?
Maripaz.
Briefcase number 4.
Sige, I will go with my mom's decision and I will choose briefcase number 4.
Briefcase number 4. Tama nga kayang nakinig. Mothers know best kaya. Open it, please.
Kayo na lang maglaro,
25
please.
pesos. Tanggal na. Banker? Yes? At, oy, first time. First time ba, banker? First time, nung nabuksan daw yung piso, si Kuya Bunel kumikembot.
Wow.
Katy Perry kumikembot. Thank you. Banker's offer is now 66,500 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Parang nagsistart na kasi na
Momento.
sa kabilang side eh. So, maybe I'll see how this round goes first. No deal.
Sabi nga ni Colleen, eto nakaka-build up na tayo ng momentum. Kasi ang
Yes.
ganda ng huling
Oo,
round.
sayang. Oo.
3 cases.
Briefcase number 5.
Briefcase number 5 kay Sue. Eksakto naman dumating din. Kasama natin, Billy Crawford. Thank you. Thank you for visiting.
Dito lang.
Bumati ka na muna.
Hello.
Billy Boy, medyo maganda yung laro. Maganda. Kung sakali man, anong briefcase ang gusto mong piliin? After this.
It's either 10 or 17.
Okay, 10 or 17. Ang nakadiscover sa'yo, 17.
Yes, si Kuya Nino kasi ang nag-discover sa akin. Pero hindi naman ako naglalaro, ikaw yun, love.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
thank
take
you very
both.
much.
Good luck. Quiz, tumakas
10
na ako.
or 17.
Bye, everyone.
Billy Crawford, your
Bye.
face sounds familiar, season 2. Okay, 10 or 17, pero dito muna tayo sa 5. Okay,
Okay,
Sue.
sige.
Ready?
Yes.
Sue, open it please. Oh, eto, yung suggestion ni Billy.
10 and 17. Sige.
Pero any briefcase pa rin kung gusto mo.
Thank you. I believe naman in his decision. So, I will first go for briefcase number 17.
Briefcase number
Yeah.
17 kay Kuya Onen ang nakadiscover kay Billy Boy. Open it please. ₱200. Thank you, Kuya Onen.
Yes.
Last case.
Briefcase number 10.
Nakinig talaga kay
Oo,
Billy Boy.
makikinig talaga ako.
Briefcase number 10, Kuya Jeric na may bangs. Open it please, Kuya Jeric. 100,000 off the board. Thank you, Banks. Banker? Oh, kahit si Banker sabi niya, si Jeric Raval pala yun? Akala mo Justin Bieber? Mukhang si Billy Boy, napaganda ang daan niya.
Oo.
Maganda rin yung offer. Thank you. Banker's offer is now 78,000 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Well, thank you very much, Banker, for your offer. Thank you so much. Kaso palaban ako. So, gusto ko muna lumaban ngayon. No deal.
You know, one thing nakikita natin on social media, and you talk about it, kay ni Billy Boy, one thing you love to do is travel.
Yes.
Okay, last destination niyo was,
We went to Maldives. No, we went to Phuket.
wow, Maldives,
Then
tapos...
Phuket.
Okay,
Yes.
dream destination yung dalawa.
This Christmas vacation, we're going to Africa.
Africa.
Yes.
At ang plano nyo, may parang safari yung gusto yung makita, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Eksakto kasi, meron tayong isang tour guide dito na nanggaling Africa. And
Talaga?
he's well-versed pagdating sa mga creatures of the wild.
Sino yan?
Tito Dennis Padilla. Tito Dennis,
Magtutur ka pala ng Africa.
sa isang taon, nakakailang Africa?
Twice ako nagpunta ng Kenya.
Twice.
Yes, Sudan once. Tapos Ethiopia, 7 days din.
Pwede ba, kasi gusto nyo makita ng mga animals, syempre,
Oo.
bilang animal lover.
Okay, kunyari, magmimili ka ng animals dito sa mga Lucky Stars.
Oo.
Kunyari, silong ay isang
Hindi, gusto ko giraffe.
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 Tapos si Bunel, elephant.
Oh, pwede.
Chimpanzee. Lioness.
Maggie Lion.
Lioness.
Teka lang, sama niyo yung panda.
Sa Africa.
Ano, tayo-tayo lang.
Kunwari, isang picture lang ang pwedeng makuha. Isang picture lang ang pwedeng makunan.
Pipiliin ko yung lioness. Exotic.
Yun! Have a great trip. Colleen,
Thank you.
2 cases.
Briefcase number 40.
Briefcase number 14. Maggie, open it please.
Sorry!
Siya pala ang may hawak ng 1 million.
Sorry.
Last one.
Briefcase number 2.
Briefcase number 2. Brother Yubes, pakibuksan, please. Tanggal. Banker. Maraming salamat daw sa ating lioness, Negi. Thank you, sabi ni Banker.
Walang problema.
Negi, sabi ni Banker, yung ganda mo, meron naman talaga. Pangmalayo nga lang.
Di ba pwedeng 3D? Sa bagay si 3D yan eh. Yung kahit malayo parang hanapin niya.
I felt that. Banker's offer is now 44,800 pesos. Deal or no deal?
You know, I'm already here, so itutuloy ko na lang. No deal.
Sa bagay, we have 200,000 and 300,000 pa
Yes.
naman. One case.
Hey. Talaga, 20? Makikinig ako sa inyo. Kapag yan mataas, sagot niyo
Sino nag-gusto
Africa
ng
ko,
20?
ha?
Sige, 19
Sige.
na lang.
Hindi, makikinig ako sa kanila. I choose briefcase number 20.
Sino nagsabi ng 20? Sino? Ito,
Sagot
ito.
niyo yung Africa ko kapag mataas yan.
Ito nagsabi ng 20. Buksan mo na. Mutya, pakibuksan, please. $300. Goodbye. Banker. Thank you. Banker's offer is 67,100 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Dahil masunurin ako sa mga parents ko, no deal.
Okay, masunurin nga naman. One case.
Briefcase number 3.
Briefcase number 3. The lovely Yam Concepcion. Pakibuksan, please. Masakit. Banker? Sakit daw. Sakit si Banker. Sabi niya, masakit, no? Konti na lang ang natitira sa kanan.
Yes.
Thank you. Pag-isipan mo na raw itong offer na to. Banker's offer is now 35,000 pesos. Deal or no deal?
Hindi ako makikinig sa'yo, Negi.
No deal!
Laban pa din ako. No deal.
Suggestion!
Long, may...
Meron kaming
Sugge-
isasuggest para hindi ka malito sa pagpili ng number.
Ay, okay. Kasi minsan may mga ilaw-ilaw, nakakalito yan eh.
Yes, ilang nahihirapan ka, di ba? Long pa paano dapat?
Ganito gawin natin, ha?
Ayan.
Para wag kang malito. Yung number 11, Canadian citizen.
Ay, okay, oo.
Yung number 19, Australia citizen.
Ang laki eh.
Australia, malaki
Okay.
yan.
Malaki yan.
Yung 13, senior citizen.
Bakit ang bago?
Tsaka tingnan mo naman, medyo lumalambot na ito.
Walang kadala-dala.
Lumalambot na ito. Piliin na natin. Tsaka,
Guys, sa next episode, ipapagtabi namin kayong dalawa.
magbigay galang tayo. 13, please.
One case.
Briefcase number 30.
Long! Ikaw na magpabukas. Ikaw na.
Senior citizen! Buksan na lang!
Banker. Thank you. Tingnan mo nga naman, no? Gumaganda pa yung game mo. Banker's offer is now 74,400 pesos. Deal or no deal? Deal or isa pa?
Okay,
200,000!
nai-inspire ako sa kanilang lahat. So, no deal muna.
Meron ka na naman, Lo.
Isa pa para hindi ka
Yes.
malito doon sa dalawa.
Simple lang.
Paano?
Yung number 11, palito ng posporo.
Okay.
Yung 19, bahay ng posporo.
Para malapit sa katotohanan, eto mo ang Barbie, yung isa ka mukha ni Captain Barbie.
Para malapit sa katotohanan, yung 11, kamukha ni Barbie. Yung 19, kamukha ni Captain Barbie.
One case.
Sige, para makababa ka na dyan at makaganti ka sa kanila, I choose briefcase number 19.
Briefcase number 19 sa ating napaka-talented at sexy na si Frenchie. Open it, please. Banker? Baka naman susuko ka na raw. Kasi hindi na masama tong offer na to. So baka pwedeng sumuko ka na.
Ay, ay, gumanti na.
Dinurog!
Napahamak ako.
Banker? Okay. Banker's last offer is 97,000 pesos. Deal, that's yours. No deal. Bubuksan na natin to. Kung ano laman ng briefcase number 8, congratulations, yun ang sayo. 97,000 pesos. Deal or no deal? Sa iyong kapamilya, deal or no deal? Rockstars, deal?
Well, I'm happy kasi either way, I'm going home with a good amount. Thank you, Lord. Pero ako kasi, I trust the decision of my parents and sa tingin nila, gusto pa nila na lumaban ako. Kaya, I'll take it to the very end. No deal.
No deal. Ang natitira sa board ay 50,000 and 200,000 pesos. Banker's last offer was 97,000 pesos. No deal. Ang laman ng briefcase number 8 ay 200. Okay lang, still a good amount. 50,000
Happy ka din.
pesos para kay Colleen. Congratulations. Bea, pakibuksan, please. How was it, playing deal or no deal?
Nakakakaba, grabe. Nakaka-pressure and it's fun at the same time. Thank you.
Palaban natin, Colleen Garcia. Thank you very much. We'll see you again
Thank you,
very soon.
thank you. Bye-bye.
And we'll see you again next time dito pa rin sa Kapamilya. Deal or no deal?